Now, if you pan over here, you also see that on top of a 5.5 inch fiberglass insulation, we also have 2 inches of blown foam insulation. Okay, this with the fiberglass gives you an R factor about R31. A normal house will have an R factor of 19. So the building is going to be very efficient as far as the heat. The ceiling will have a blown insulation in it, and that will have an R38. So again, it's going to be a very efficient building to operate. But you also notice that the walls out here in the sally port also have that same foam insulation, so you have that same R value. So again, even out here, we're trying to be very efficient. Okay, now we're on the outside of the building. As you can see, a lot of the siding is already done. You've got your James Hardy planking, they call it, which is this material right here. It comes in both siding and in a board form. It's actually a concrete fiber material. It's quite heavy, very resilient to weather. The beauty of it is that it's less maintenance than conventional lumber. Okay, as you can see, the trim around the windows and so on, but the windows are actually double hung, double pane glass, thermal pane glass. Again, they're looking for the insulation factor on the windows, and you can also see that the mullions inside are actually inside the glass. That way, it's a maintenance thing. You don't have to worry about the painting. Cleaning is a lot easier, and it's going to save us time and money. This way here, you'll be walking in. This will be the entranceway into the police station. There'll be a vestibule here as an airlock. You come in and then take a right and head down into here. And then as you come in through here, this will be looking into the admin area. Again, you can see the ductwork here. Now this ductwork here is further along because it's all insulated. All the ductwork will be insulated for both sound and heat retention. Yeah, these are all run by propane heat, which we have a double cylinder out back, 2 1,000-gallon tanks that are going to run these. Plus, we need that amount of volume to run our generator once that comes in.
That when there's no one here, the lighting goes down to about half what is normal. And then when you walk in here again with these motion sensors, it turns the light on full. Now you can shut the lights off so that people moving in and out will not turn the lights on if there's an area that's not going to be used.
Paul, also to note that we have light detectors on every room.
Absolutely. Within the budget, we wanted to, the Police Construction Committee allowed Bob, who was our clerk of the works, to work with me and to put a certain number of motion lights in rooms that we felt were important, where officers might or citizens might leave the lights on when we leave, and we might not notice it for a few hours and waste electricity in the town. So we identified our interview rooms and several other locations throughout the building for these motion lights, and as a matter of fact, we went back to the police committee a few weeks ago and requested that a few more locations in the building so we could put some more of these in and save the town more money. Our goal is to build a highly efficient building and not waste taxpayer money, and this is a good example of trying to keep the costs down.